Hi there. We continue to see a north to south contrast in the weather across the United Kingdom. This was notable on the earlier satellite and radar imagery. This is 5 a.m. Wednesday, and a weather front was bringing areas of rain and cloud into parts of Wales, northwest England and the Midlands. To the south of that, clear skies, although with some fog patches, and to the north, the mix of showers and fairly breezy conditions continues for Scotland and Northern Ireland. The rain across central areas does tend to fade away into the afternoon before another system brings some further persistent rain later. We keep a lot of cloud across Wales, parts of the Midlands, into Norfolk as well as northern England, but some brighter interludes will come through at times. It stays fairly showery for Northern Ireland and Scotland, some longer spells of rain for northwest Scotland. Cool here, but where we keep the sunny skies further south, well, we'll continue to see some warmth with the air temperature approaching 27 Celsius in places. Then heading into the evening, well, quite interesting things are happening across Europe at the moment. On the one hand, we've got an emerging heat wave across Spain and the south of France, but much cooler conditions pushing into the northwest of the UK with low pressure. Now, on the boundary of that, this warm front, cold front, and also some occluded fronts interacting as we go into Wednesday night and early Thursday with low pressure and the heat wave across central and southern parts of France. All the ingredients there for some very lively weather, particularly as the jet stream takes a dive just to the southwest of the UK. And we're likely to see some very lively thunderstorms developing across the English Channel and more especially northern France on Wednesday night and into the start of Thursday. What we call mesoscale convective systems, that is an organised cluster of thunderstorms with very large hail, frequent lightning and some intense rainfall rates. Now, at the moment, it looks very likely that those thunderstorms will affect northern France and not southern parts of the UK, but we're likely to see the northern edge of any system and produce, for a time, some showery rain into southwest England for the first part of the night, and then that transferring eastwards as we go through the night. Further north again, we've got that low pressure to the northwest of Scotland, bringing showers and then some more organised heavy rain into the north and east of Scotland by the end of the night, and cloudier conditions further south with some bits and pieces of mostly light rain for Wales and northern England. So again, this north-south contrast, but quite a messy picture as we begin Thursday with bits and pieces of rain. Some of that will be heavy, and another warm night, especially in the south. So it's the developments across northern France that are the most significant aspect of the forecast, and it's just the northern edge of that that could bring some heavier rain into southern and southeast England for a time during Thursday morning, especially the far southeast where there is the risk of 25 or more millimetres of rain through the course of the morning. But it all depends on developments over northern France and how far north the influence of that extends into the south and southeast of England, and that's slightly uncertain for the time being. However, the most intense thunderstorms, as I mentioned, are likely to stay over northern France and push further east into Thursday afternoon. Still some showers following for central and eastern England. These fade away into the afternoon. Sunny spells then for much of England and Wales. We keep the longer spells of heavy rain for the north and northeast of Scotland, more confined to the Northern Isles and Caithness by the afternoon, but some heavy showers following nevertheless for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and staying cool and blustery towards the northwest. Cooler air filtering its way southwards as low pressure in the northwest begins to extend its influence across the UK, but still the potential for the low to mid-20s in the south, given some sunny spells emerging into the afternoon. Then into Thursday evening, we'll continue to see those showers across western Scotland, longer spells of rain for Orkney and Shetland, showers for Northern Ireland, clearer spells for England and Wales, but into Friday and the weekend, the signs are the cool and showery weather that much of northern UK is experiencing at the moment will extend countrywide. And that means that for England, Wales, Northern Ireland, the bank holiday weekend will be fairly mixed, but there will be some sunny spells at times. Bye-bye.